Alright, I just wanted to make a short video explaining the importance and demonstrating how well ceramic coating works on wheels. So these are my powder coated XXRs that are filthy. Zoom into the smoke, like go way in the smoke. You can very clearly see, wait, show it. And I'm gonna rinse them and wash them. This is a bucket with just car wash soap in it, nothing else, no wheel cleaners or anything. I'm not going to use any of that. And I'm just going to rinse it off. Get my wheel woolly. This is just car wash soap. And you can see how easily it cleans off. This is brake dust, this is road grime, but mainly a lot of brake dust, and it just pushes off extremely easily with just the car wash soap and the wheel woolly with very minor agitation. And then I'm gonna come in with my brush. See, look at that. And that's how ceramic coated wheels react to just a simple wash with car wash soap and wheel brushes. Normally you would have to use a wheel cleaner to get all that brake dust off, whereas this, all you need is the wash soap. And see that beading? Or sheeting, rather. So that's about it.